Yangzhou Dingyue Plastics Electronics Company Limited offers a full range of plastic molding capabilities and have served customers in a variety of industries. Our engineers team is involved with the design process from the beginning of the program, which helps ensure that all aspects of the part design and build are addressed. We offer complete and full-service mold design, maintenance, and repair in our tool room, which is completely equipped with lathes, mills, surface grinders, electrical discharge machining, and all the machinery needed to maintain all types of molds. There are lots of injection molded material that our staff have and worked with, like ABS, nylon, PP, and so on. We have a big warehouse to storage 50 to 200-ton plastic materials. With a total of about 100 sets injection molding machines with the heaviest up to 1,500 tons, our production processes are optimized to eliminate variability and to produce the high-quality injection molded product that our customers desire. We take our molding expertise and combine this with our years of automation and testing experience to add quality and value to our products. We build in numerous quality checks throughout each process to ensure a perfect part every time. We also have 3 DCNC steel wire bending machines and vacuum forming machines to make different types of metal frames and back pads for back bag. Looking forward to having cooperation in the near future.